Welcome back for previous year questions analysis. Hope you're practicing more questions. Solving previous year questions helps you to follow syllabus and pattern more accurate. Consider the following statements. Human capital formation as a concept is better explained in terms of a process which enables 1. Individuals of a country to accumulate more capital. 2. Increasing the knowledge, skill levels and capacities of the people of the country. 3. Accumulation of tangible wealth. 4. Accumulation of intangible wealth. Which of the statements? Answer is option C. Human capital formation refers to stock of skill and expertise embodied in humans. Human capital is as important as physical capital for economic development. Human capital formation includes expenditure on education, on health and on on-job training, and intangible are key instruments of human capital formation, also implies the development of abilities and skills, knowledge among the population of the country. In order to develop various sectors of the economy, the country should introduce manpower planning for the development of its human resources. Increase in absolute and per capita real GNP do not connote a higher level of economic development if a. Industrial output fails to keep pace with agriculture output. B. Agriculture output fails to keep pace with industrial output. C. Poverty and unemployment increase. D. Imports grow faster than exports. Answer is option C. Economic development includes not only economic growth but also various other economic changes that improve the quality of life or standard of living of people in a country. If with economic growth, a country experiences various economic changes such as a reduction in poverty and unemployment, reduction in income and wealth inequality, increase in literacy rate, improvement in health and hygiene, etc., that improve the quality of life, then that is economic development. If gains of increase in per capita income are grabbed by a small section of society, then economic growth will not lead to economic development. Keep practicing more previous year questions. Thank you.